Have you ever found it hard to find that property that brings you a nice blend of modern, contemporary things like upgraded kitchen, high ceilings, nice stuff in the house in Scottsdale, but you don't want to stick your arm out and touch your neighbors because it's getting so popular here? I have the perfect house for you. Today, we're in North Scottsdale in an amazing location where you can drive out to your neighborhood, go for a hike, take your toys, your quads out here into the dirt. You can have horses, you can do anything you want, but inside, it's got a fully upgraded kitchen, high ceilings, views, pool. It's just really that perfect blend of everything that you would want in a North Scottsdale property. I can't wait for you guys to see it. I can't wait for you guys to see the price. Come on, let's go check it out. All right, welcome to Barbie Lane. So inside, this is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 2,400 square foot home on over acre. And this house is actually great for a lot of people. So as you can see, you come in, love it. We got super high ceilings. We have nice upgraded fixtures. We have a beautiful kitchen. And like I said, this is great for a lot of different people. This is a great house for families, for kids. If you love horses, trailers, toys, all that stuff, and you don't want to stick your arm out and touch your neighbor, you want a little bit of space, but you want to be within a reasonable commute to grocery stores, shopping, and all that stuff, this is for you. Also, with the emergence of work from home opportunities with many employers, this is great. If you work from home, what a better place to be. I mean, this is amazing. You can sit here, you've got your pool, you've got mountain views. I think you can really plug in, get some great work done, but also have peace, privacy, and do what you want. That's what Arizona living is all about. No HOA, land. Let's go check out the rest because you haven't even seen the best part, yard, and this is horse property, so you can have your very own horse, and we're gonna show you in just a second. Come on. Out here in the backyard, so much to enjoy with this beautiful pool, spa, fenced in area, which is great for families, entertaining. And behind me, of course, we have the horse property. So please send this to a horse lover. If you are a horse lover, you gotta check this property out because this is amazing. And also, sitting here, we really do have amazing 360 views. And then I love that we've got this north-south house orientation that's very popular here in Arizona because as the sun rises in the east, sets in the west, we won't have any of that direct sunlight at your bedrooms. You can enjoy this actual covered patio area, summer, fall, winter, everything in between. Now, we're here to show you the house, but I gotta show you something else special. My friend wants to come say hi. So come on, let's go say hi. So I told you I wanted you to say hi to my friends here. Obviously, if you like horses like me, and this reminds me of a house that I grew up in Tucson on land space. My chores as a kid were cleaning up horse stalls, but this resonates with you. You wanna live in a house like this. You want space, privacy, views, maybe you want some horses, you got toys, you want a pool, you wanna live close to amenities, reach out. DM me, drop me a comment, shoot me your information. I would love to give you a private showing so you can see this amazing house. This is a really tremendous opportunity here to live in North Scottsdale. Also, don't forget, if you want access to off-market properties, low interest rates, visit www.alexhasthedeals.com. Reach out and I'll hook you up. I'll show you the best way to buy a house in 2025. Check it out. Can't wait to see you guys inside.